Hi everyone, my name is Sumit Kumar Sharma from Nil Advantage Technologies Private Limited. So today I am going to present the cyber security and cloud security. In the whole presentation, we will discuss about basic definition of cyber security and prevention of cyber security, or dangerous myth of cyber security, and some stories related with virus and how hacker can harm our system. So the last one is cloud security and what is the basic risk of cloud security and some important parts of cloud security. Basic definitions of cybersecurity. Cybersecurity is the practice of protecting critical system and sensitive information from digital attacks, also known as IT security. Cybersecurity measures are designed to combat threats against network system and applications, whether those threats originate from or inside and outside of an organization. In 2020, the average cost of data breaches was 3.86 million globally and 8.64 million United States. Prevention of cyber attacks. For example, in any organization, they have lots of data stored in hard drive or cloud server. But hacker without permission, those data access with the help of electronic tools. Then those hackers demand a lots of money, and this activity is called cyber crime, or it is also known as unethical hack. So to prevent the cyber attacks, I am suggesting you first one is train your staffs. Second one is keep your software and system fully up to date, and third one is ensure endpoint protection. So the fourth one is install a firewall, and the fifth one is backup your data, and the sixth one is control access to your system. The next one is Wi-Fi security, and the last one is employee personal accounts and access management. Next topic is dangerous myth of cyber security. So the first point is cyber criminals are outsiders. In reality, cyber criminals breaches are often the result of malicious insiders working for themselves or in concert with outside hackers. These insiders can be a part of well-organized groups backed by nation states. So the second one is risks are well known. The risk surface is still expanding with thousands of new vulnerabilities being reported on old and new applications and devices, and opportunities for human error, especially by heedless employees or contractors who unexpectedly causes our data breaches keep increasing. So the third one is attack vectors are contained. Cyber criminals are finding new attack vectors all the time, including Linux system, operational technologies, IoT devices, and cloud environments. So the last one is my industry is safe. Every industry has its share of cyber security risk. Almost every government and private sector organization, for example, ransomware attacks are targeting more sectors than every, including local governments and non-profit, and threat on supply chain. Government websites and critical infrastructure have also increased. In this slide, I want to describe attacks and data breaches and its stories on cyber security. So the first story title is Robert Morris and the first story worm. So it was the year 1988, first time the virtual world introduced with worm. The incident happened from slowdown of mini computers and professional workstations. It was because of running a malicious code in this system. About 60,000 computers connected to the internet, which helped the worm to spread all over. Actually, the matter of fact here is that graduate student Robert Topon Morris was wanted to count the number of systems connected to internet. Here, how first computer worm spread. So I'm going to the next story, which one is based on hacker activity, and the title name is Rome Laboratory. During 1994, system admins of Rome Laboratory of New York felt that their network had been penetrated and compromised. It was a white wrap computer programming named Sniper that had been installed on one of these systems connected to the Rome Laboratory network. It allowed hackers to destroy traces of the record activity, and the last story based on the biggest data breaches. So the story title is Office of Personal Management Data Breaches. 2015's April month is well known for data breaches. Hacker got access of 21.5 million personal data office reports. It was declared as largest data breaches in US. Personal information, including biometric name, DOB addresses, were compromised. It was said later on that Chinese hackers were the intruders. So the next topic is security measures. The state of computer security is the conceptual idea attained by the use of three processes. First one is threat prevention, second one is detection, and third one is response. These processes are based on various policies and the system components, which includes the following. First one is user account access control and cryptography. So the second one is firewall, and the last one is intrusion detection system, IDS. So the definition of cloud security. Cloud security is the set of strategies and practice for protecting data and applications that are hosted in the cloud. Like cybersecurity and cloud security is a very broad area, and it is never possible to prevent every variety of attacks. However, a well-designed cloud security strategy vastly reduces the risk of cyber attacks. And one important thing, cloud security is not the same thing as security as a service, which refer to security products hosted in the cloud. Next topic is what are the main cloud security risks. Most cloud security risks fit into one of these general categories. So the first one is data is exposed or leaked. So the second one is an unauthorized user from outside the organization has access to internal data. So the third one is an internal authorized user has too much access to internal data. So the fourth one is a malicious attack such as DDoS attack and malware infection people or destroyed cloud infrastructure. So the goal of a cloud security strategy is to reduce the threat posed by this risk as much as possible in the face of an attack. So the next topic is important for keeping cloud data secure. So the first one is proper configuration of security settings for cloud servers. So the second one is consistent security policies across all cloud and data centers. So the third one is backup plans. So the fourth one is user and employee education. The next topic is key technologies for cloud security. So the first one is encryption. Encryption is the way of scrambling data so that only authorized parties can understand the information. So the second one is IAM, identity and access management. IAM is extremely important in cloud computing because a user identity and access privilege determines whether they can access data. So IAM may include several different services, or it may be a single services that combine all the following capabilities. So the first one is identity provider. It authenticates user identity. So the second one is SSO. Single signing on services help authenticate user identity for multiple applications, so that user only have to sign in once to access all their cloud services. So the third one is MFA, multiple factor authentication. Services strengthen the user authentication process. So the fourth one is access control. Services allow to restrict user access. And one more key technologies for cloud security. So the last one is firewall. A cloud firewall provides a layer of protection around cloud assets by blocking malicious web traffic. This is the thank you note. If you have any problem, computer security related or other technical issue, then feel free to contact us these three online medium: email, phone, website. And one more thing, we are partnership with Forcepoint, Sophos, Securate, and we also partnership with many companies. So lastly, I want to tell you, cybersecurity or cloud security related products issue, then contact us. Definitely we will help you as soon as possible.